Speaking today. Focus friendly.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear chief guest, dear special guest, chairman, and dear distinguished participants. Good evening. Welcome to our program. At first, my acknowledgement goes to Almighty Allah next to you. I am very happy to see you all here and giving us your important time in this educational educational show. And I especially thank to our special guest. And I especially thank to our distinguished participants. Now, at first, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Navnabis Mukta. I am a student of class 9 in Noble Public School. My family consists of 4 members, and they are my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My father is a businessman, and his name is Hafizur Rahman Nahi. And my mother is a politician, and her name is Miss Nazmul Nahar, and she is a politician. She is chairman of 7 Hata Union Council. And my brother's name is Mr. Sposha, and he is a student of class 10 in Shilk of Victoria Academy. And I want to be a doctor in my future, so it's not only my future goal, it's the dream of my father, my mother, and my grandfather. So if I be a doctor, they promised me they will establish a hospital for me, and I will, by what I can serve 4 people free. So everybody pray for me. My leisure activities are playing guitar. My leisure activities are playing guitar and going to gym and driving car. I am not more than 18, so I have no driving license. For that, I drive my car in front of my house. There is a field. I drive my car there. And I'm giving my speech in English. Never mind. Please never mind. Because we are Bengali as well as we are Bangladeshi. So our mother tongue is Bangla. But I'm giving my speech in English. So do you know why I'm giving my speech in English? English is considered as the most important language in our whole world because it is our international language. About 350 million people use English as their first language, means as their mother tongue. And about 300 million people use English as their second language, like us. English is our international language, like 300 people's English is their international language. So you can consider, you can understand how it is important for in today's world. So in our Sherpur district, there are many academies who teach you basic English, textual English, what is useful for you only for your exam. But there is no institute who teach you spoken English. Western Academy is the first academy in Sherpur who teach you spoken English. And I thought that when I come to Sherpur, there is no spoken English course and spoken English academy. But I meet our beloved teacher, Mr. Rohitullah by an advertisement. Then I collect his address from my maternal aunt. Then I meet him. Then I know about Western Academy. And Western Academy has 2 types of English course, that basic English course and spoken English course. Then I admitted into spoken English course. Then in level 1, first level was level 1. At the first day of my spoken English course, Dugu sir called me into his house in Western Academy. In Western Academy, the first video test was taken by Dugu sir in his drawing room, in front of camera. The first video test was introduce yourself. And then I introduced myself. Then when I introducing myself, I was wondering in my name. Can you imagine? I was wondering in my name. Now I am completed my spoken English course, you can see the result in front of you. So I get my lifestyle from West Academy. I get my smartness from West Academy. And I have a suggestion for every guardian present here. Not only your child, but also your neighborhood child, your family's child. Send them into West Academy. They will get the lifestyle. They will be smart guy, and I guarantee they can talk with any foreign country, and they can fluently talk English. So it is my guarantee to them. And now I'm talking about my beloved teacher, Mr. Rohitullah. He is a teacher who is very friendly to students. His teaching methods is very good. He teaches us like a friend. He never praised any text to students. So I always suggest to the guardians and say that children to West Academy. No more today. Now I am concluding my speech. Before concluding my speech, I had a great important speech for you all. The pandemic situation is coronavirus, is COVID-19. So the social gathering is not legal act. So you have to follow the rules of coronavirus and COVID-19. You have to keep distance and wear mask, sanitized hand, and that's all. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Speaking here today, focusing friendly, be a member, get smart, and reach your speaking power. Speaking here today, we focus friendly, not grammar. Speaking here today, an English speaking practice point. Shape down, shape. Speaking here today.